The EBRE Delta is the delta region of the EBRE River in the southwest of the province of Tarragona, in the region of Catalonia in Spain. It is located on the Mediterranean Sea and is the northernmost point by some designations of the Gulf of Valencia. The EBRE Delta is one of the largest wetland areas in the western Mediterranean region at 320 square kilometers. The EBRE Delta has expanded rapidly on soils washed downriver. The town of Amposta, a seaport in the 4th century, demonstrates the historical rate of growth of the delta, as it is now located well inland from the current river mouth. Some delta areas have been drained for agricultural use over the centuries. The modern delta is in intensive agricultural use for rice, fruit and vegetables. Since 1992, the EBRE Delta is one of the 3 Spanish regions awarded a protected designation of origin for rice production. A network of canals and irrigation ditches constructed by both agricultural and conservation groups are helping to maintain the ecologic and economic resources of the EBRE Delta. The zebra mussel, an invasive species, is expanding through the delta and upstream into EBRE waters. Due to its rapid rate of reproduction, with a competing advantage, the zebra mussel is adversely affecting native species. In 1983, Spain designated a large part of the delta as a natural park. This natural park has protected wetlands, beaches, marshes, salt ponds, and estuaries that provide extensive habitats. The park is of international importance for 8 of its plant species and 69 of its vertebrate fauna. It has some 95 breeding species of birds, is also very important for over 300 species of a wide range of transient and overwintering species, and serves as an essential stopover point for large numbers of migratory birds and waterfowl. The EBRE Delta has the world's largest colony of audience gulls. In 2006, it held a record number of more than 15,000 pairs. The best way to get around the EBRE Delta is by car, due to the limited public transport in the area. Although there are some buses that run between towns in the Delta, having a car makes getting around a lot easier. One of the best things to do in Delta EBRE is to take a boat tour. These tours are an easy and relaxing way to see the area's wonderful nature. If you are looking to explore the Delta EBRE in more of an active way, try kayaking. The calm waters here are ideal for kayaking, whether you choose to join a kayaking tour to Gracia Island or simply rent a kayak yourself to explore on your own. Kayaking tours start in the village of Balada and give you the chance to see the different wildlife found in the delta and around Gracia Island over the course of 2 hours.